Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the Walmart Beauty box. So this is a subscription through Walmart, and I believe I have a video or two about opening Walmart Beauty subscription boxes, and it was quite a surprise when I first found out that Walmart had one. I didn't realize they did, and it's only $6.98 every 3 months. So they basically, I guess it's a quarterly subscription box. So every 3 months you'll get one. I, of course, because I am who I am and haven't opened my subscription boxes basically again in a year. So I have three. I have the summer 2022, fall 2022, and winter 2022. I'm supposed to be getting the summer 2023 anytime now. So why not catch up, right? That is what I'm thinking. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna open those three boxes today. I didn't put any makeup or anything on because there might be some goodies here that I can use today. And before we continue, just a friendly reminder to subscribe, hit that notification button, hit that like button, comment below, interact with me. I love interacting with y'all. Y'all have great suggestions, and I love hearing back from y'all to see what you like, what you don't, and just, be an interactive community. So let's get started. We will begin. So this is what they look like this, Walmart, and they'll tell you right here what box they are. So let's open this baby up and see what surprises it holds. I really like the Walmart because, again, it's every 3 months and it's only $6.98. So I think it's a great way to, kind of like tip your toes into the beauty box subscription world and not feel like you're spending a ton of money. Plus, all the items that will be in the beauty boxes are probably very easily accessible to most people, since most, at least in the US, I know Walmart is expanding outside the US, but I'm saying at least in the US, most people have a Walmart relatively close to them. So that helps. All right, so again, this is the summer 2022, and that's what that looks like. Let's see what little treasures are inside. So it's called the Summer Glow Up, and it gives you a list of things that could be in your box, and there is some stuff in the back and a QR code if you wanted to purchase some of these items. So let's get started. Let's see what they sent us. the little wrapping inside. And again, this is a very simple box, but I like it because it has very practical things. So yeah. Okay, so first thing is they included this hydration multiplier. They sent one of these before and I just haven't tried it. And it's supposed to just be like an electrolyte mix, and this one's in the pina colada flavor. It tells you right there. Let's see what else. Ooh, it looks like something exploded. We have the Neutrogena Invisible Daily Defense Face Serum and SPF 60, so that is fantastic. It's water resistant for 80 minutes. So this is nice for your face. I will definitely be using and trying this one out. I've been looking for a really good SPF for my face because, as y'all can see, I have very sensitive skin. I break out. So a lot of sunscreens just break me out. I have very oily skin, sensitive. So I have to be very careful about what SPFs I get, and I'll try this one. All right. Hello, vegan lip balm. SPF 15, sweet mint, and coconut oil. Is this the thing that exploded? No, but it has some of the, see, something exploded. And this is the vegan lip balm, and it looks like this is a full size. So most things you'll get in this box will be samples or luxury samples. So this is this one, which is really good. Getting down my lips already. Okay, it does have a like a flavor to it. Minty. I like it. And as you can see, it has like a white cast on it, which I don't mind, but some people might. So just letting you know. Ah, I think this is what exploded. The Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, dry to normal sensitive skin. Yeah, this is what exploded. Oh, that's a bummer. I'm gonna get rid of that because, yeah, it's making a mess. And we have some toothpaste, the Arm & Hammer Complete Care. This one is great, like these sizes. I love to take these when I travel. So we're gonna be traveling in the next month, so this is great because I'll be carrying this in my toiletry bag. And then we have some shampoo and conditioner, the Suave Up the Volume packs, like samples. So again, these are really handy too for when I travel. I like to just stash these in my suitcase and have them in there just in case. You know, I do carry my little toiletry bag with, you know, designated shampoo and conditioner, but these are nice to have as well. And then you just, you know, leave the packaging in the hotel or wherever you happen to be showering. Like if you're go camping and they have showers, they'll have an area there for trash. You can just toss these there. All right, so that was the summer box. Not bad, and I like keeping these because they're really good for whenever you mail something. They're, at least for me, they're really handy. The boxes are just nice, and they have very minimal wording on them. Yeah, it says Walmart, but if you're sending something, you can just cover it with labels. It's very easy. All right, so this is the fall 2022. Let's see what this one holds. And again, I think it's gonna be a short video just because we don't have a ton of stuff in these boxes. Again, it gives you a good idea also what to try out and see what products you like before buying the full sizes. And it's Walmart, so prices are gonna be pretty reasonable in the most part. All right, so that's the fall. And again, this is the fall haul, apparently. Again, you get some inside of some of the products. And let's see what this one has. Ooh, already liking this. Okay, first thing is Even and Clear Facial Moisturizer with Sunscreen. This is SPF 30, hydrating formula, no white residue, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C and E. So this is a really good sample. Again, I'll try this one out. It's a little sachet type of package instead of like the Neutrogena with a little tube. I think the little Neutrogena might be good for travel because, you know, it's a little tube. I don't wear falsies, but they did include a set, Luna Magic Beauty with a Vibe, and it's the Happy X. These are kind of big, right? Interesting. I think they're a little too long. I don't know. I'm just not used. I just don't wear fake eyelashes, so I don't know. Ooh, this one's a good size. It's Hemp's The Secret is in the Seed, Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon Herbal Body Moisturizer. So this is a good one for travel as well. For, you know, moisturizing cream, lotion. It's hydrate and refresh. So this is a good one. And it says sweet pineapple and honey melon. I wonder what it smells like. Does it say it's sealed? Oh, this has a good flavor. It's a good scent. This one's good. And again, they included the liquid IV. And this one's in yuzu pineapple. The other one was pina colada. So there's that one. And then look what they included. A little hairband. So that's great. Sorry, my dog is like licking her lips. I don't know. So there you go. There's that one. This is neat. And it's like the sweater material, so I get it for the fall. So cool. And they included a little pamphlet for the liquid IV. And here's the barcode in case you wanted to add it to your cart. And we got some more Suave shampoo and conditioner sachets. So again, I'll put this in my luggage, and I have plenty shampoo and conditioner. I might transfer those since it's already 2 sachets of shampoo and conditioner. I might transfer it to, if y'all watch my Temu haul, I got some little, they look like little bags, but you refill them, and it's for travel, for shampoo, conditioner, lotions. So maybe I'll put those in there, and that way I have them combined. Okay, and finally, the winter box, the winter 2022 box. That's the winter one. Let's see. It's the Winter Wonders. And here's some of the products that we might get. And they included some more of that Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, dry to normal, sensitive skin. This one, it did not explode. I'm gonna give this to my sister though, because she has dry skin. I have very oily. I'll give that to her. And then they also included the Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream, very dry to dry sensitive skin. Okay, it's like, so it's a moisturizing cream, but again, it's meant for really dry skin. So I'll give that to my sister as well, so she can try it out. And then they included another liquid IV, and this one's in the tangerine. So I like I'm getting different flavors, so I'll definitely be able to try them out. Oh look, and they included 2 of those this time. I'm gonna have a full set by the time I'm done. And yes, Simply Ageless, the CoverGirl Simply Ageless Lash Plumping Mascara. Full-size product, so I'm loving this. We'll definitely be using this. And then last thing in here is the Miracle Patch Real Beauty. So I guess it's Real Beauty, that's how they pronounce it. It's invisible spot cover, ideal for on the surface spots. 24 patches. Wow. Okay, so it's these, and y'all know I need it because I will break out, and so these will come in handy. And it just tells you how to use them. So this one's a good one too. I feel like this might be a full size product as well, because it has 24 patches. So we got 2 full-size products in this one. Not bad, because just the mascara can be, you know, $7. So that was it for this haul. Like I said, this is going to be a small haul, a short video, because Walmart beauty boxes tend to just have a few things in there. But for $6.98 every 3 months, I really don't mind. I will continue getting this box. I mean, I find all of these products very practical. I will use them either to try them out to see if they work for me, and then I can buy the full-size product, or have my sister try them out. So that's the beauty about my sister being like, her skin being so different than mine, that we can try as a whole pretty good variety of items, and that's very helpful. But yeah, that's it. Anyone out there get this beauty box? I'll link them down below. It's not sponsored. I don't get any kickback or anything like that. I just think it's a really cool, neat box to get every 3 months. It's not pricey at all. And you know, it's just fun to get that little surprise in the mail. And it gives you an opportunity to try out products. And if you like them, you probably have a Walmart around the corner. You can go visit and pick up the item. So thank you so much for joining me on this mini video. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye.